Welcome to Philippine Rent a Car. Want to inquire without waiting for the next available person? In this video, we will show you our cars available and prices, and how easy and safe to book your self-drive car rental on our website. Let's get started. You may open our website using your favorite web browser on your mobile phone or your computer and type in www.philippinerentacar.com. From the homepage, you may click Book Today or navigate on the top menu under Reservation and click Self-Driven Car Rental. By default, it shows you a parameter pointed at our main office with random dates for a 30 days rental and a list of cars available with its corresponding price. Next step is to change those parameters to suit your needs. First, choose where you want to pick up the car. Getting the car from our office is completely free, and pickup at any of our designated parking will incur a minimal delivery cost. Pickup or delivery at these select locations are limited from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. Take note, we do not own and operate these parking locations. Or if you want your car delivered to a location you want, simply type the hotel name or the address or which airport, and our earliest delivery starts at 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. Next, choose when your rental date and time starts. Equally important is that you select the return location, date, and time. Returning our cars to our selected parking locations are done through key drop, and do not forget to click the green button to refresh results. Click to choose which among the available cars you wish to reserve. This page will show you detailed information of the requested car, and you may add options you deemed necessary. You will also see our terms and conditions, making sure everything is laid out and no hidden stuff. When you are ready to reserve, simply fill up the sign-up information needed if you are new or log in for return customers. Next part, you will need to upload your matching selfie, driver's license, and credit card. Take note, you may cover your credit card number and CVV code for your protection. When you are finished, hit the green Submit button. If you wish to pay with credit or debit card, hit the Payment Checkout button to fill out the card details. Otherwise, we will send an email for bank transfer information. Thank you for watching.